Welcome to a quick guide on how to react to a pin on Pinterest using your PC following the latest updates. Pinterest has made it easier than ever to show your appreciation and express your feelings about the pins you come across. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Pinterest's website, so open your browser and go to pinterest.com. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to enter your username and password. Now that you're on the Pinterest homepage, take a look around at your feed. You can scroll through the pins that Pinterest thinks you'll like, or use the search bar at the top to look for something specific. Maybe you're into DIY projects, delicious recipes, or inspiring travel destinations. Whatever it is, find a pin that catches your eye and that you want to react to. Once you've found the perfect pin, give it a click to open it up. This will display the pin in a larger format, along with any description the pinner added. Underneath the pin, you'll usually find options to save, share, or visit the linked website. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the heart icon. This is the classic like button, and clicking it is the quickest way to show some love for a pin. But with the new updates, there's more you can do. If you are on a group board, you can react to pins in the form of giving a pin a cheer, smiley, or some other emoji. The reactions include a pair of clapping hands and a thumbs down option. To change your reaction, go to the pin and tap on the react icon below the pin. Then select the desired reaction from the list of emojis. Keep in mind that the react feature is only available on group board pins. Group boards are boards where the creator has invited other collaborators to join. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can easily react to pins on Pinterest and let others know what you think. Have fun exploring and happy pinning.